Best place to have a private conversation.
No rain.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. The logical mind says the best place to have an intimate, a secure, a private conversation is in closed quarters, in a room where the sound cannot escape. And that's one way. But I believe the best place to have a private conversation is somewhere out in the open where you can feel the wind, where you can probably see the moon or the sun, and the fact that there is no roof on top of your head. Why so? When there's no roof on top of your head and you're out in the open, there's something about the mind and the emotions that frees up, that makes you feel a little more open rather than closed. Hence, I think the people open up more and can have a more heart-to-heart conversation, whether it's private, whether it's intimate, whether it's a secure conversation they want to have. So, instead of going with the logical mind, try my tip next time you want to have a private conversation and let me know how it goes. All the best. I hope this tip helps you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Much love.